Josh here.
And Michelle.
And we are
Adventures Ahead.
And it is bright outside right now.
It's the snow reflecting.
Supposed to get a bunch of snow, but we're not talking about that. So it's Cruise Chatter episode 29. Almost at 30. It's going pretty good. Good series for us.
Or not, whatever you think. Okay, what are we talking about today, Josh?
You didn't see what I just did.
I did.
Today we're talking about laundry service on a cruise. So last week we talked about the stuff that makes me tick. So on the other side it talks about laundry service. So I'm sure y'all guys have had those as well. So laundry service, they have a laundry that you can do it yourself.
Yep, self-service.
Which
laundry.
we've done that before.
Yep.
And, it's you just go put in there, go take a nap.
$3 for a washer, $3 for a dryer-ish. I don't remember the exact price, but...
and you can use your sign and sale card.
Yep. The cons of that is you have to change over your stuff. I saw somebody take somebody else's laundry out of the thing one time because they weren't getting it, so...
Interesting. So, but they also have a laundry service on board. And... it says, laundry haters rejoice. Why do laundry? You're on vacation. I do like that.
I do too.
And it's laundry specials, and it's a wash and a fold. So they'll be touching all of your underwears if you put your underwears in there. They might smell them. I don't know what they do. But,
gross.
So one standard laundry bag, and it's a same day service, is $15. Now, it says to put it out in your... no, you don't put it out in the hallway.
Doesn't say anything. Don't put your clothes out in the hallway.
Whoops. And then 5 standard laundry. So it goes all the way from 1 to 5. So that's kind of a dramatic. So it says 5 standard laundry bags, same day service, $50. So we thought about doing this. Because $15 for your time for that day, like, what's that? Nothing.
Nah.
Like, I'll go spend that.
But that's only one bag. The bags aren't that big.
How big
and
are the bags?
if you're big people like us, your clothes are big too.
How big is the...
The bags? I think they're like this big.
Okay. And then if you want a pressing, which Michelle always loves her clothes pressed.
No, I don't.
Press only, 12 items. Next day, that's a next day service.
That's BS.
And that's $20. $20. And if you want a press only, 24 items, next day service, it's $30.
What if you want your underwears pressed?
Yeah, you could.
Gross.
And then it says, please complete the form below, laundry, before
10 a.m.
and fill the bag before 10 a.m. Sign it, call your stateroom steward, and place it on the bed. So that's how you do it. And it says, and it has a whole thing right here.
You have to say how many t-shirts.
We got your t-shirts.
Got your shorts.
Yeah, whatevs. We got your holy underwear, tank tops, underpants, slips, big bras, little bras, socks, stockings.
So anyway, what
a vest.
Should you use this or not?
Trousers.
I guess it depends on what you value on vacation. So if you want to spend a couple hours doing laundry on your own, do that. If you don't care and you want to spend some money,
so it says
and just not worry about it, then that's
so it says right here. Ask about our same day service. Pick up by 10:30 a.m. Returned by 7 p.m. So if you wanted to wear those clothes that night, you could. So that's kind of cool.
That is cool.
We've always heard that like maybe the water's not that good that they wash with, but they wash all your sheets and stuff. Yeah, we heard they come back stiff. They come back kind of like, but
starchy.
Right. So I would give it a try.
Let's give it. So should you give it a try on your next cruise?
Yep.
Probably.
I think we should. I think you should give it a try.
Depends on what kind of budget you're looking at.
Right. If $15 to you is 2 pulls in the casino, then definitely I would try it. And that's, I think we're going to try it next time and see how it goes. So I recommend doing it. Do you?
Sure.
I mean, just giving it a try. Let us know what you guys think about it.
If you've tried it, let us know.
Yeah, if you've tried it, let us know about the laundry. If not, if you guys are against the laundry on the cruise, let us know. If you've done the self-service, let us know. If you've
been on a cruise, let us know.
That's right. And if you guys want to know anything more about what's going on and go to our Facebook page.
Adventures Ahead Cruising Group.
That's where you can get all the information. And we're also on Ship App
We just
and
talk about
Twitter and
drinking over there now,
Instagram.
basically.
It's like a drinking page. And then one time we shared all of our dogs, and someone said, "What is this? A pet page?"
That's confusing.
So, okay, guys, we will talk to you later.
Like,
Bye.
comment, subscribe. Bye.